If you're watching this video, you might be in the market for a gimbal or a Steadicam. And what most people say is that mechanical Steadicams are really hard to learn. I think that's not the case. In this video I will show you how to use a mechanical Steadicam, and to drive my point home I've got with me my little brother Raphael, who is 16 years old and he never used a Steadicam in his life. So he will demonstrate how easy and fast it is to learn how to use a Steadicam. So let's go. Yeah, you're already holding the Steadicam right for the most part. So we will just do a little walking test and see how well you will do. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Is it difficult?
Yes, it's very difficult.
And now I will show you the footage from me, who uses Steadicams on a daily basis. As you can see, it's quite a difference. You need to look out for some points when you want to use a mechanical gimbal. As you can see here, I hold the gimbal with my dominant hand, and this part of the Steadicam will balance the whole rig out. But you have to keep one hand on the Steadicam itself to make sure that the camera doesn't drift off on any side. So keep your hand on the Steadicam. If you don't feel sure how much you should hold it, if you grab it like this, the gimbal can't work. So it should move somewhat freely, but your hand must guide the Steadicam through your shot. Also, when you walk, make sure that your hip stays at about the same height. So you have to do a somewhat of a ninja walk, what it's called, to make sure that the Steadicam doesn't bounce up and down all the time, which makes your shot more floaty and smooth. How do you feel?
I don't know. I'm trying.
Okay. Maybe we try another test? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
As you can see, this was quite an improvement. When you are in the market for a camera stabilizer, keep in mind, gimbals start at around 150 bucks, and you can get this very cheap stabilizer for 50 bucks on Amazon. So if you follow my instructions on how to use this Steadicam and practice of course, you will get outstanding results and a very stable image. As you can see, you can get better really fast if you know how to use a Steadicam. I hope this video was useful to you. Keep in mind that the best shots are those when the camera is nicely balanced out. So check out my video on how to balance a Steadicam to make sure you are set to start when you want to take pictures with your Steadicam. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. And if you like this video, please let me know. And subscribe, of course. So have a nice day and create something extraordinary.